Hey everyone, myself Arun, and today in this video, I'm back with another question, which is question number 26 from the book Introduction to Management Science. So this question is the Sea Wharf Restaurant would like to determine the best way to allocate monthly advertising budget of $1,000 between newspapers advertising and radio advertising. So this question, we have two parts. They have asked two parts. First is the formulation of the linear programming model using that can be used to determine how the restaurant should allocate its advertising budget. And then next one is using the graphical solution procedure. We need to provide the solution. So I did both of them. So this is my Excel file where I have used two variables, which is R for newspaper advertising and N for radio advertising. This one is our maximum profit. So we have they have provided in the question itself. So I've used the same from there. And this one our decision variables. So all of them are being captured from Excel solver. So this is the constants they have provided, C1, C2, and C3, C4 for for this one budget, newspaper minimum, radio minimum, and newspaper that is greater than two radio. So these all are four constants that I have derived from the question itself. Again, these are here to here. I've used some of the Excel formulas, and this one is again derived from the question itself, and this one is our total profit. So this one is again I have obtained from Excel solver. And the next part is part B, which says how we can provide the graph. So this is the solution of this is the graphical solution, and these all are the constants I've taken from the top of them, and by using them I created this graph using Excel charts. So I hope you like this question and this video. So to get this question and Excel file, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp or email address, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So thank you and have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.